Hello and welcome back, everybody. If you're trying to fix the Google Maps orientation, in today's video, we will be guiding you through the steps to do so. So, without any delay, let's just dive right into the video. So, if you're on your mobile device, you can go ahead and open up the Google Maps app on your device, tap on it. Once you open it up on your screen, you can go ahead and tap on your profile picture in the top right corner of your screen, tap on it and that should open up your profile with different options available. You can go ahead and scroll to the options and find the option called settings from the navigation settings. Tap on it and that should open up your settings. Now what you need to do is from here go ahead and look out for navigation settings. We have a bunch of settings available. You can look out for the navigation option, which is under app and display, the second option. Tap on it and that should open up the navigation settings on your screen. Now we need to do is we need to go ahead and turn the option on or off to control whether the map rotates to match your direction or stays with north always at the top. So you can select this option for, you can scroll down and you can look out for these route options. And from here, you may scroll down a bit and here you will be finding an option called keep the map north up. So I can turn this option on, tap on it, or you can turn it off as well by tapping on it again. And that will rotate the map to match your direction, or it will only stay north when you turn it on, always at the top, and do so. Apart from that, you can also look out for other navigation options here and turn it on or off according to your own choice. And that way you can go ahead and fix the Google Map orientation. And when you're in the map itself, you can look out for the compass option available. You can tap the compass icon to adjust the map orientation to your current direction or reset it to the north up. And that is it. So these are the ways you can fix your Google Map orientation. So don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we'll be seeing you in another video.